Welcome back to HS Auto. Today we're taking a quick look at the 2026 Suzuki GN 125, a classic commuter that continues to focus on simplicity, reliability, and everyday usability. Overview. The 2026 GN 125 stays true to its roots as a no-nonsense motorcycle designed for daily riding. It targets beginners, city commuters, and riders who want an affordable machine with proven engineering. Design. Suzuki keeps the GN 125's timeless styling intact, featuring a clean fuel tank, upright seating position, and minimal bodywork. The overall look blends retro charm with practical modern touches, making it appealing without being flashy. Engine and performance. Power comes from a small displacement single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth and predictable performance. It's built for efficiency and durability rather than speed, delivering enough power for urban roads and relaxed cruising. Comfort and handling. An upright riding posture, flat seat, and neutral handlebars make the GN 125 comfortable for daily use. The lightweight frame and manageable dimensions help riders stay confident in traffic and tight city streets. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Fuel economy remains one of the GN 125's strongest points. Simple mechanics and widely available parts also keep maintenance costs low, which is a big reason this model stays popular year after year. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Suzuki GN 125 is expected to remain competitively priced, especially in markets where affordable commuter bikes are in high demand. Availability may vary by region. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki GN 125 isn't about chasing trends, it's about dependable transportation. If you value simplicity, efficiency, and proven reliability, this classic Suzuki continues to make a strong case.